You guys must have these questions once. Why there's a battery in my computer's motherboard? Already I didn't give power. Well, the reason to keep a battery on a motherboard is to keep the BIOS powered on while your guys not plugged in. Some people off their socket to switch off their PC and all those kind of stuff. Without power means the BIOS will drain out its memory about the BIOS. Because of this, manufacturer add a little tiny lithium battery that is put on watches, or yeah, it's a watch battery technically. So they add this little tiny battery to keep the BIOS chip powered on. If the BIOS chip isn't powered on, it will lose power, it will lose memory about it. So if the battery started to run out of power, the BIOS tells you to replace the battery soon as possible. If not, the battery depletes its power, your computer no longer can detect your peripherals, your OS, and your GPU, your CPU, none of them can detect without a BIOS. So, the real question is, what is a BIOS? Well, I'll talk about it in the next episode of Muscle Computer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments below what if you thought of it, guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later and hope you guys enjoy.